Central government has officially notified the Digital Personal Data Protection Rules 2025, signaling a significant step forward in regulating the processing, protection and governance of personal data in the country. These rules will aim to establish clear guidelines for data fiduciaries, consent managers and mechanisms to safeguard individual privacy rights. Reasonable security safeguards such as encryption, masking and access controls to prevent personal data breaches have also been prescribed. Now, data fiduciaries are mandated to notify affected individuals and the Data Protection Board promptly in the event of a breach. The CEO of CISA in Bangalore, Darshan Shantamurthy, has spoken about the act as well. Listen in.
Thanks to NewsX for having me over. So this is an important milestone for Indian data protection. I believe that this is a great move for the country to build trust in the ecosystem, and for the users it is definitely going to help in terms of securing and protecting their data, which is today being consumed by many organizations and enterprises. I believe that it is good for the citizens of the country. For example, one of the key things is when we go to a restaurant, we give our mobile number, our name, and that database is used for various other reasons, for spamming us, marketing, sales, so on and so forth. So that's one example where personal identifiable information is used freely and for marketing and multiple others without probably taking our consent. Now all that would change with the implementation of DPDP rules. You can't no longer take any of such kinds of information and use it and misuse it without taking prior consent. So this is going to be a fundamental shift in the way we deal with personal data, and I welcome this kind of long-awaited milestone for the country. This is also a very good step for organizations. I think this was anyway due, which is reasonable safeguards kind of a rule set that has come in as part of this DPDP rules, which essentially ensures that every organization should take reasonable measures to secure the data. There is reporting timelines, there is mandates around how you need to go ahead with your security systems. So I think it's a big ask from organizations, failing which there will be a penalty that will be levied. So I feel that it is good for the entire ecosystem. At the end of the day, it's a fiduciary, it's a data fiduciary. It means at the end of the day, you are obligated, you're given this data with a lot of trust, and hence you would need to make sure that you have adequate safeguards. So it is very logical. It's been there in other parts of the world, and it's only time that India had one of its own to make sure that we as enterprises take this data very seriously.